Example 4. In triangle ABC, the bisector AD of angle A is perpendicular to side BC. Show that AB is equals to AC and ABC is an isosceles triangle. So, let us write whatever given. Given in triangle ABC, AD is bisector of angle A. It means angle 1 is equals to angle 2. AD is perpendicular to side BC also. AD is perpendicular to side BC. Means this angle and this angle is 90 degree. So here itself we will write angle 3 is equals to 4 is equals to 90 degree. This is angle 3, this is angle 4. Now to prove, we have to prove that AB is equals to AC. This we have to prove. So for this, we'll take these two triangles ABD and ACD. So let us start. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So see, whatever information is given to us, we'll use on that only. See, angle 1 is equals to 2 is given, 3 is equals to 4 is given, and we can see that in these two triangles AD is common. So we can say that in these two triangles angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Okay, this is given. Then AD is equals to AD. This is common side. And angle 3 is equals to angle 4, 90 degree, each 90 degree because AD is perpendicular on BC. So we have got three facts: angle, side, angle. So our triangles ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by ASA congruency. Okay, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. So our both the triangles are congruent by ASA, angle, side, angle. By CPCT, now we are to prove that AB is equals to CD. So by CPCT we will say, by CPCT AB is equals to AC. Okay, hence triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This only we have to prove. Okay, you have to prove that, show that AB is equals to AC and ABC is an isosceles triangle. Got it? Now example 8. P is a point equidistant from two lines L and M intersecting at point A, and show that the line AP bisects the angle between them. Okay, this is your figure. L and M are intersecting. These are two lines. L and M are two lines intersecting at point A. Okay, and P is a point. See, this is a point P which is equidistant from these two lines. Okay, so show that the line AP bisects the angle. This line AP bisects the angle between them. Means the angle between these two lines are this angle BAC. This is the angle between these two lines. L and M are two lines. Angle between them is BAC. So we have to prove that AP, this AP line, bisect this angle. Means we have to prove that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Okay, so given information, first we'll write lines L and M are intersecting each other at A. P is equidistant from these lines, means BP is equals to CP. Okay, the shortest distance, we always take the shortest distance, and shortest distance is perpendicular. So BP is equals to CP. Whenever we have to take distance, we take shortest distance. Okay, now to prove, we have to prove that angle BAP is equals to angle CAP, means we have to prove angle 1 is equals to angle 2. To prove this, you can see we have two triangles here. So we'll take these two triangles. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP. So what are the facts given? See, one angle is given, this angle 90 degree is given, BP is equals to CP is given, and one common line is given. Okay, so these are three information given to us. So we can use here which congruency? RHS. How? Right angle is given, AP means opposite to right angle, hypotenuse is there, so hypotenuse is common. In these two you can see hypotenuse is common. So R we got, H we got, and S one more side, so BP is equals to CP. So three facts we have got here, R, H and S. So by RHS we can prove that these two triangles are congruent. So let us write first, angle ABP is equals to angle ACP, each 90 degree. Okay, then the second fact we'll use AP. AP is equals to AP, common side, and here we have got CR, H and S. BP is equals to CP. This is given to us. So our triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP by RHS congruency. By RHS congruency, our triangles are congruent to each other. This is your R, this is hypotenuse, and one more side. So RHS, by RHS you can see your triangles are congruent. So by CPCT we can say that CPCT is corresponding parts of congruent triangles, corresponding part of congruent triangle. By CPCT we can say that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Now these two triangles are congruent, so corresponding angles are angle 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 are equal. It means angle BAP is equals to angle CAP. Hence proved.